Alright, today is Michaela's first shot at having some solid food, and this is because she just recently got her first tooth, and so here we go. You ready, Mama?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, here we go.
What do you think? Sort of tastes familiar.
She's all, I'm an eater.
You're doing it. Ready? You wanna feed yourself already?
I think you need to scoop and reserve what's on her face.
Yeah, typically.
Mmm.
This is rice cereal with a little mommy milk. Yummy, yummy. Oh.
I think she likes it.
I think so. You're gonna wear it, huh? Oh, good job. She came forward for it. You want to eat what's on your bib? Save it for later. Ready? Oop.
She's doing great.
Good job, baby.
All with the help of that new tooth. Doing so good.
Nums. Nums. You have to wash your face when we're done, huh? You want more? Go.
Mmm.
That was a good bite. It's in her eyelash. More? Oh, good girl. She keeps putting her hand up there. Makes it messy.
All this right after we got back from our trip to Oakland for Josh's wedding, and Michaela did so good on the airplane.
She's a good girl.
Slept all the way home from Phoenix, except for right when we pulled into the garage.
Oh, I forgot to put the placement down on there.
Oh, we'll hose it off.
There we go. Is that good? Yay! Almost done. Let me hold the camera.
Sure. Dad wants to try and do it too. More?
Your eyebrows. Is it good, sweetie?
A little bit more.
Chicken nose toes.
Meow. That was a good try, huh? That's all there is. I mean, I can-
All done? Do we make more? All done. Say bye-bye.
Bye.